The Montego Bay police are probing the death of 59-year-old Veral Filinar, a shopkeeper of Cedar Hill, Somerton, St. James, who was shot and killed on Sunday, July 9. Reports are that about 7 a.m. residents heard explosions and summoned the police. During a check by a police team, Filinar was seen clad in a white merino and blue jeans pants, lying face down in a pool of blood, with bullet wounds to the head and upper body. He was transported to the Cornwall Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead. An 18-year-old woman has been arrested over the stabbing death of a 31-year-old man in the district of Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew. The deceased is Ryan West. Reports are that about 8:15 p.m. West was stabbed with a knife during a dispute with the woman. The police say the two lived at the same location and that the dead man was the woman's ex-uncle-in-law. The two had an initial confrontation from which the woman reportedly ran to another house. The stabbing reportedly took place during a second altercation after the two met in a walkway leading to their yard. West collapsed and was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A knife believed to be the murder weapon was retrieved from the scene. A man died from injuries he sustained during a motor vehicle collision along the Gilbretham Main Road in Watt Town, St. Ann on Monday. He has been identified as Javon Brown. Police report that about 3:30 p.m. Brown was driving a motorcycle when it collided with a Toyota Probox. According to lawmen, Brown reportedly lost control of the motorcycle and crashed into the Toyota, which was traveling in the opposite direction. Brown was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead.
Yes, sir.
It's roughly about, not sure the time, I wasn't checking the time, but maybe like something after 1 p.m. today, and yeah.
A boat carrying more than 30 Asians, including several children, landed on the shores of Boston Beach in Portland on Monday afternoon. The police are currently carrying out checks and monitoring the situation. The Asians appeared to be in good health. More details soon.